बच्चों के साथ जो आपने फिल्म किया कोई एक
मैंने एक्चुअली अभी एक शो किया है विच इज़ अबाउट अ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल इन दिल्ली। मेरी मम्मी अमिताभ बच्चन सर की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन है। शी टेल्स मी दैट व्हेन आई वाज अ ईयर ओल्ड शी हैड टुक मी टू वॉच शराबी। दैट वाज द
फिर भी आपने शराब नहीं पिया।
नहीं मैंने एक और फिल्म की थी सुपर 30 जिसमें अगेन मतलब थोड़े बड़े बच्चे थे who were appearing for the entrance exam of engineering. My life has been a little unplanned and a little spontaneous. When you're working initially, especially as your first thing, and और कुछ करने में आपको अच्छा लगने लगता है तो आप घड़ी नहीं देखते. I once read somewhere Michael Jackson once danced for some 16 hours straight.
After you started, what was your first project?
The first project that I worked on was Maidan. Which was to Asian Games. And मैंने उससे पहले एज ए एसोसिएट 83 की कास्टिंग की थी। मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतना डीपली इम्बाइब्ड है फुटबॉल हमारे देश में भी किसी जगह पर।
Where dreams take flight, voices are bright, unique and light, creating new heights, unfolding the stories of each human life. It's heartfelt and casual with no perfect goal. All I wish for is to touch every soul. Seema, 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 जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं. An American filmmaker, actor, and comedian, Woody Allen once said, "Casting is an art. It's like creating a painting where you choose the right colors to bring your vision to life." And today's guest is that artist. Someone who started with no connections, no privilege, but an unshakable conviction and a clear vision. Without a film background, he entered an industry without a connections and built his own instead. Today, he is the bridge between vision and talent, intuition and opportunity. He has worked in some of its most celebrated projects, namely Chhawa, 21, Bell Bottom, Maidan, Bad News, Kala Pani, Zara Hatke Zara Bachke, and many TV commercials like Nestle, Myntra, Meta, Manyavar, Colgate, Dove, and many more. Welcome to Seema, जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं.
बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टैगलाइन है मैम आपकी।
This looks nice, no?
जी।
So because it is about the tagline and the name, so I will go with you with this first question about your brand name. It is anti-casting.
जी।
Why anti-casting when you are actually into casting?
Anti-casting actually means casting against type. So actually बहुत लोगों का ये सवाल होता है कि what does it mean and it sounds something different. मतलब is it against casting? But it's against type casting is why the name is, because it's always important कि that was the fundamental of the of me when I started the company also कि मतलब कुछ अलग करेंगे, कुछ unique करेंगे, कुछ different करेंगे. So yeah,
this is your inspiration to have this name?
Absolutely, man.
Okay.
It just happened with sitting with a friend over a evening, and when we were thinking of कि okay अब ये शुरू करना है और फिर इसका नाम क्या रखें, तो सारे नाम जो सोच रहे थे वो ऐसी थे कि casting something, and there were a lot of other similar names. So I thought कि मतलब थोड़ा सा prefix करके देखते हैं, and because what it meant was something deeper, we thought that we'll go ahead with it.
Yeah. And I think it's very nice. It's very catchy and it gets a different flavor, very thoughtful flavor. So imagination is really nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
So the second question is, when you look back, what you feel, what shaped your childhood the most?
I grew up in a small town, and my father was he's just retired, but he was a senior bureaucrat. He's a government servant, and we used to get transferred from one place to the other every 4-5 years. So बहुत interesting childhood रहा है मेरा. ये I grew up in this town called Rourkela in Odisha, where my father was coincidentally posted twice during my school time, and once in Bhubaneswar. So it was I think that town really shaped me a lot of the person that I am today. It was a very वहाँ ऐसा शहर था जहाँ पे हर कोई एक दूसरे को जानता था और बहुत दोस्त होते थे and everybody used to like meet in the evenings and spend time with each other. बहुत ही आजकल तो ऐसा बहुत रेयर हो गया है कि such a gathering would happen and we would clubs होते हैं वहाँ पर, तो वहाँ पर we would play different sports, have dinner together, everybody used to sing songs, play housey and all those things. So and watching movies also मतलब was a part of the culture, I think. मेरे पेरेंट्स दोनों, मेरी मम्मी अमिताभ बच्चन सर की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन है and she tells me that when I was a year old she had took me to watch Sharabi. So that was the first film that I ever saw.
फिर भी आपने शराब नहीं पिया?
नहीं पिया उस वक्त. And I think that upbringing in that atmosphere also made it in a way ऐसा हो जाता था ना कि आपके principles, आपके values और आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हो फिल्मों से because it exposes you to this different world which is so unique and different. तो बहुत कुछ वहाँ से बोरो किया और उस वक्त कभी नहीं ऐसा सोचा था. नॉर्मल हर लाइक एवरी स्टूडेंट आप पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हो, आप खेल रहे होते हो, आप बाकी चीज़ें कर रहे होते हो. ये मुझे तो नहीं पता था तब कि क्या करना है.
बट वहाँ पर थिएटर या जैसे बचपन में भी होता है ना, जैसे कैलकाटा में बहुत होता था कि हर बच्चे कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी ओकेशन में, स्पेसिफिकली टैगोर's बर्थडे और समथिंग लाइक दैट, देयर विल बी अ कल्चरल प्रोग्राम. तो ऐसा वहाँ भी होता होगा? स्कूल में डेफिनेटली होता था और आप पार्टिसिपेट करते थे? जी. मैं मुझे अभी याद आ रहा है कि मैं हमेशा पार्टिसिपेट करता था, यूजुअली इवन इन डांस performances and plays which were usually directed by the English teachers and other teachers. And but वो बहुत ही amateur level पे होता है जैसा स्कूल लेवल पे. It's really different. but बहुत मज़ा आता था. But उस वक्त भी कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा कि मतलब I will have something to do with performing arts. बट वो जो चाइल्ड लाइक स्पिरिट में हम तब गाना गाते थे और करते थे, कोई इनहिबिशन नहीं होता था. बट जब भी हम लोग आए ना एक्टिंग करना है और बड़े होने के बाद डिसाइड किया, तो सारे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बाहर आती है बिकॉज यू बिकम मोर कॉन्शियस. तो उस तरह के एंजॉय जो करते हैं ना बचपन में, जो मेमोरी बन के रह जाता है, वो बाद में कम हो जाता है. वी बिकम वेरी कॉन्शियस एंड बिकम एन एक्टर एंड like even now when we cast for kids, it's so easy to direct them. Yes. और मतलब wide imagination, inhibitions नहीं होते हैं उनको और वो इतने लॉजिक्स नहीं होते, उनको इतना सोच नहीं रहे होते हैं वो while performing. तो मतलब उनके साथ प्रोसेस जो होता है वो बहुत ही अलग होता है than adults. तो बच्चों के साथ जो आपने फिल्म किया, कोई एक जिसके कास्टिंग किया आपने जो बहुत मजेदार था? मैंने एक्चुअली अभी एक शो किया है which is a show for which is about to come up for OTT platform, which is about a government school in Delhi. और वहाँ पे क्या खुराफाती चीज़ें होती हैं और क्या होता है टीचर्स और बच्चों के साथ. तो इस शो में हमने बहुत सारे बच्चे इस तरह से ऑडिशन किए. मैंने एक और फिल्म की थी सुपर 30, जिसमें अगेन मतलब थोड़े बड़े बच्चे थे who were appearing for the entrance exam of engineering. तो उसमें भी I traveled the length and the breadth of
that particular state where we were casting and other places also. और वहाँ से बहुत सारे बच्चे हमने ऑडिशन किए और कास्ट किए. और उसमें ऐसा होता है ना कि मतलब कोई ये नहीं होता कि किसको एक्टिंग आती है, वो क्वेश्चन नहीं होता. अगर बच्चे हर कोई कर लेते हैं, मतलब अगर वो चाहें तो, जिसमें भी वो स्पार्क है, अगर इंटरेस्ट है तो कोई भी कर लेता है. तो वो बहुत मज़ा आता है कि मतलब हम अलग अलग तरह के वर्कशॉप्स करते हैं उनके साथ कि, और कभी कभी सरप्राइज हो जाता हूँ मैं कि मतलब इतने छोटे बच्चे क्लास 7-8 के, एंड दे मेक अ प्ले इन से 10 minutes एंड दे परफॉर्म, एंड हमको लगता है ये तो मतलब थिएटर लेवल, मतलब आगे जिनको जो सीखे हैं वो इतना अच्छा नहीं कर पाएंगे इतनी जल्दी शायद, जितनी जल्दी ये कर लेते हैं बच्चे.
Yeah, I completely agree because
Yeah.
in my teenage, I used to work with all the children around me, and we used to do Tagore's play, like Daghor and all.
जी.
It's a very philosophical, deep philosophical plays.
हाँ.
And I remember, एक तो कभी लाइंस नहीं भूलते. सेकेंडली जब करते हैं ना, आप कुछ सोच के जाते हो. मैं भी छोटी थी तब, वो जो प्रेजेंट करते थे अपनी इमेजिनेशन से, दैट इज आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. एंड यू नो, सो एंड बाद में भी मैंने बड़े सारे बच्चों के साथ काम किया, बट मैंने देखा वो रिसेप्शन जो है ना, उनके लिए वो एक फन है. यू नो, हमारे क्या हो जाते हैं, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आता है मन में, ठीक कर रही हूँ कि नहीं, कॉन्शियसनेस आ जाता है. सो वो मैंने देखा है, बच्चे बहुत उनको प्ले का सही मायने में प्ले करते हैं.
जी 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 जी.
सो आई कैन कम्प्लीटली आई मीन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग
कितना
अबाउट.
ट्रूथफुल लगता है.
ट्रूथफुल,
वो
I think that's the
बनाया
word.
हुआ नहीं होता, मतलब
वो अभी तो सीखे नहीं थे ना, ये भी बात है. उनके दुनिया तो इमेजिनेशन का ही है, बैठे बैठे. सो लवली टू हियर दैट. सो उड़ीसा की बात जब भी आती है ना, मुझे पूरी बहुत याद आती है, बिकॉज आई हैव अ कनेक्शन and I used to go to that, you know, area a lot.
I spent quite a lot of time in Puri as well because it used to be just an hour from Bhubaneswar. तो हमारा हर वीकेंड यूजुअली पूरी होता था. मंदिर जाना, बीच पर नहाना.
कटक.
और जब मैं पहली बार मैंने अरेबियन सी देखी, मतलब गोवा देखा फॉर, तो मुझे लगा कि यहाँ वेव्स इतने मेलो क्यों हैं.
पूरी के समंदर में बहुत
नहीं देखा है कभी. हाँ.
Now you know, when you decided to, you know, take acting, casting as an, you know, profession, before that you must be doing a job.
जी.
And what you were doing at that point, when where you were?
So I went to I did my engineering. I'm an engineer turned casting director. I did my engineering from Pune, from Pune University, and during those engineering years, क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग के सिवा भी बहुत कुछ करने का टाइम मिलता है, तो आई डेवलप्ड इनटू अ लिटिल थिएटर फॉर सम टाइम, एंड बट इट वाज नॉट पर्पसफुल कि इसमें कुछ करना है. एंड देन आफ्टर आई पास आउट फ्रॉम कॉलेज, आई केम टू बॉम्बे.
Really?
Yeah, because I'd got a job in a network operations company in here, where I started working for some time. But I did not really enjoy that a lot. And I only did it for even less than a month. और फिर मैं कुछ पीरियड के लिए अपने लाइफ में एक हाइबरनेशन के मूड में था.
Really?
जी जी.
Okay.
I was not doing anything and I was just it was a small apartment where there was no source of entertainment. तो as in, I mean, I did not have a laptop, and the phones back then were not as engaging. So I started reading a lot then, and I was just reading a lot for for around a year. Yeah. And then I started going a little out and meeting a few people, and and then did some menial jobs in between, and then I started working as an intern in a casting company here.
Oh, really?
I just started like that. Yeah, right.
When
a
you
year after
decided
college.
that in that hibernation period,
जी.
how you decided that?
No, actually, everything, ma'am, in what has happened in my life has been a little unplanned and a little spontaneous. So it wasn't preparing for something or knowing where to go, what to do. I just thought that I'll go with the flow. We'll see how things shape up.
That's really nice.
बहुत ज़्यादा प्लानिंग नहीं कर पाया उस वक्त.
अच्छा है,
जी
sometimes
हाँ,
unplanned
actually.
things
हाँ,
really comes out as a very, you know,
Yeah.
something which it is coming from
Looking
intuition,
back
no?
at it now, it feels like it.
Intuition.
हाँ, it's okay.
So where you started, you know, you become an intern, or how you
Yes,
started that?
I joined a casting director और मैंने उन्हें यही कहा कि मुझे of course it was also a profession which was not too many people were doing it, and it was not considered a professional career to be doing something like this. But I also just thought that let me see how it goes, and मतलब क्या करना होता है. मुझे काम नहीं आता था, and I said कि it's okay, मुझे पैसे नहीं मिले, कम मिले, जो भी है, but I just want to learn this and see. Thinking back at it again, it
Which
was
year
very
is that?
spontaneous. This is 2010, 15 years before. And then I just started reading a lot of scripts there because the environment was such, and started auditioning a lot of people. I used to be the first person to reach the office, and वहाँ पर एक शटर होता था तो मैं शटर खोलता था, ऑफिस साफ करता था और फिर काम करता था. And when you're working initially, especially as your first thing, and और कुछ करने में आपको अच्छा लगने लगता है तो आप घड़ी नहीं देखते.
So you felt connected,
जी,
very deeply
जी.
connected.
आपको भूख नहीं लगती, आपको you start enjoying it.
I could completely relate to it. Yes.
जी, जी. And I was just doing this day in day out. I was really enjoying doing whatever I was asked to, and yeah, that's how it began.
That's so wonderful. You know, when you are forced to do something,
जी.
like I had this, like there was a time just after 11th, suddenly something happened and I was not preparing, and my father actually sent me to a physical education college, and which I never wanted. Though I was in sports. मैं तो भाग के आई वहाँ से, of course. It used to look like a prison, you know.
Yeah.
There's no freedom.
जी.
You just following somebody else's dream.
True.
Nothing else. And so I can completely relate that which is yours. When you are able to somehow come to that, you know, chosen path, they says, na? So it's very different. You don't feel tired. You don't feel like you're saying.
True.
You know, it's just like a sponge. You are absorbing all the joy of doing things.
Yeah.
And then you understand that this is your path.
I once read somewhere that Michael Jackson once was practicing dancing, and he danced for some 16 hours straight without
I could believe
realizing.
it. Yes.
So I found it so strange that how is it possible? But एक flow state होता है, या फिर एक नशा होता है, and because तब फिर आप ये चीज़ें घड़ी देखकर नहीं करते.
नहीं करते. That's what called, I think, passion driven.
जी, I'm sure.
You know?
I'm sure.
So that will be always different than people.
Yeah.
Those who have very consciously chosen something.
Yeah.
Maybe they will also do very good.
Correct.
But when the excellence come, then that shows, you know, you just can give your life for that.
Great high.
It's very nice. It's
Yeah,
great high.
yeah.
It's better than having something
Absolutely.
outside from outside. So this question that you were working as an intern, and then you have decided to have your own, you know, own brand, and it must be it must be, I don't know how it is. Was it daunting? Was it, you know, kind of exciting for you?
Yeah, as I said, I was just saying कि मतलब I was really enjoying what I was doing. और क्या होता है कि when you start getting appreciated for what you do from the filmmakers and the people that you're working with, your colleagues and everybody, then you start enjoying that a lot. And I think, of course, it's been वो जो journey थी from starting as a casting intern to becoming a casting director and starting anti-casting, it was a 9-year long journey. और उसमें there was lots of ups and downs and बहुत चीज़ें आप सीखते हो, समझते हो कि क्या हो रहा है, किस तरह से हो रही हैं चीज़ें, क्या होता है एक अच्छा एक्टर, और फिल्म कैसे बनती है, और what is the importance of this particular department in the process and all of that. But having said all of that, because I was, मुझे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था ये काम करते करते over these 9 years in multiple projects, that I knew that मैं अच्छा करूँगा. मुझे मुझे वो कॉन्फिडेंस
So
था
lovely.
अपने पर. But also having said that, when you are the captain of the ship, the responsibility is more, and you need to think of a lot of other things which you were not thinking before.
Peripherals.
जी जी. पर जैसा मैं आपको कह रहा था ना कि ये सब कुछ थोड़ा सा कोइंसिडेंटली हुआ है. So even this decision of starting anti-casting was not too thought of. It wasn't very planned, and it just happened at the spur of that moment somehow.
With the funding and all, you
there was
little money.
कोई फंडिंग नहीं थी मैम, और जो मेरी सेविंग्स थी उससे ही बस
शुरू कर दिया.
शुरुआत में पहले घर पे काम करते थे.
Oh really?
और मेरे सारे जो टीम मेंबर्स थे, हम सब घर पे बैठ करके करते थे. फिर कुछ टाइम तक ऐसा किया. फिर कुछ दोस्त थे, कुछ प्रोड्यूसर्स थे जो कि वेल विशर्स थे, तो उन्होंने कभी कभी अपने ऑफिस हमें दे दिए वहाँ पर ऑडिशंस कंडक्ट करने के लिए या फिर काम करने के लिए. मैं एक दिन फिर ऐसा लगने लगा कि मतलब इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू have an office and work where everybody can come together, and because there is a reason why this exists. और फिर थोड़ी हिम्मत करके किसी तरह से एक ऑफिस ले लिया और फिर वहाँ पर काम करना शुरू किया.
And today you are providing job to so many people.
जी.
And I think that's how it is, no?
That's
reciprocal to this.
और यही इंटेंशन भी थी कि मतलब everybody should be happy working there, and I'm able to give them enough and be fair to them.
So after you started, sorry if I'm cutting you, after you started, what was your first project? You remember that?
जी. The first project that I worked on was Maidan, which is a film which Amit Sharma was directing, and Mr. Ajay Devgan in it. So yeah.
How was the experience and what you really took back from there?
Well, I think it was the most challenging and the most interesting film of
And
my
exciting,
career.
of course.
I'm sure, yeah. Boni sir is a wonderful producer. He gave us the liberty to cast this film the way we wanted to.
Really?
He did not hold us on. मतलब I don't think कि उनके जितना दिलदार कोई प्रोड्यूसर है, क्योंकि चाहे जितनी तकलीफ़ें आए in between making the film, he sustains everything with
Really?
such grace. Very brave guy. And Amit Sharma, is one of the filmmakers who I absolutely adore. And it was a challenging casting because we had to cast a team of football players who played the 1962 Asian Games. And मैंने उससे पहले as an associate 83 की casting की थी.
Oh.
And which was not as challenging for me because we were primarily casting actors in that film who could also play cricket, or we were training them to play cricket. But here, Amit wanted, there were 4 filters which had to be met for an actor to be cast. That he should know how to play football, and football में भी ना positions अलग-अलग होते हैं. A goalkeeper has a very different part to play than somebody who
Stopper is different.
Yeah,
Forward
who's a
is
striker.
different. Yeah.
So the person needed to play football. The person needed to be from the same ethnicity as the original player was. Thirdly, he should be able to act. And the 4th criteria was कि they should look similar.
Oh, so it was not like actors. You're not choosing actors. You're choosing the players who looks similar to that
So,
character.
We were looking for everybody. we were either looking for actors who met all these criteria, or we were looking for a real person who we could teach acting.
Oh, really?
So we
what
had
you
a mixed
achieved?
batch of
So, acha,
people.
you have a mixed batch of this.
Yeah,
That's
some of them were
really
actors, some
exciting.
of them were players who intended to act, who came for these auditions, and I traveled the length and the breadth of the country. For example, if I had to cast somebody who's a Bengali, then I went to Calcutta, spent a lot of time in Calcutta. सुबह सुबह उठ के मैदान जाता था मैं, क्योंकि लोग या तो सुबह सुबह फुटबॉल खेलते
गौड़े
हैं या
मैदान
फिर
जाते
शाम
थे
में।
आप?
जी जी तो या और वहाँ पर मतलब अलग अलग प्लेयर्स से मिलते थे, फिर उनसे उनको कन्विंस करते थे कि वो उनको लगता था ये क्या पागलों जैसी बातें कर रहे हैं, एक्टिंग करनी है फिल्म में। So, but it was
And
with we were quite
football
happy
and
with the
Kolkata has a very
very deep connection.
strong
I actually discovered this about
bond.
Calcutta when I went there. मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतना deeply imbibed है फुटबॉल हमारे देश में भी किसी जगह पर. Even
Kerala, I was
even
about to
Goa,
say Goa.
even the Northeast,
Yeah.
and a lot of other places in the country. मतलब, but Calcutta का फुटबॉल से जो connection है, I think that's too deep.
In my childhood, I have a lot of memories. So East Bengal side supposed to be people those who are coming from Bangladesh and
जी,
all.
जी,
And Mohan Bagan is तो घोटी और बंगाल इसकी बड़ी लड़ाई होती थी.
जी,
Even
जी,
you know schools में so it used to be lot
इनका
of
इनका
funny
खाना भी
stories.
अलग होता है.
Obviously, as a casting director, what qualities you always felt that this is the correct quality for an actor? You know, it's like whenever you are finding out a character or an actor for that character, what do you think that one quality which makes an actor an actor?
It's a huge skill in itself.
Hmm.
So that's a craft that can be learned, or either someone has it naturally, but just the ability to express a emotion truthfully, जो झूठ नहीं बोलते while performing, that's what we,
Truthful is one of the characteristics of.
because that's what I think the logic is. If you are feeling something truthfully, it will transcend on screen.
Absolutely.
मैं अगर अभी कुछ फील करूँगा तो आप वो फील करने लग जाओगे मेरे साथ, जैसा हो रहा है हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं. Same thing works for the camera.
A camera is
उस
very
चीज़
powerful.
में अगर मैं मेड अप होऊंगा या फिर उसको फेक करूँगा तो वो इमोशन ट्रांसलेट नहीं करेगा, वो बहुत
और
fragile
फेक
होता
दिखेगा
है.
भी.
वो
फेक
वो हाँ
दिखेगा.
पता चल जाता है, ऑडियंस को हमेशा पता चल जाता है, हर किसी को पता चल जाता है.
Do you think that belief is the key? That actor believes in? Stanislavski says that belief is the key.
Definitely, it's one of the
That
major,
their belief,
major
actors'
aspects.
belief.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's a whole chapter in itself.
And then building up from belief to
Correct.
other
Correct.
aspects.
और ये इतना wholesome craft है ना कि it's not about just this. It's not about playing a musical instrument. It's your individual personality and the thought processes that you have, that everything adds up in a lot of ways
Together.
to make you the person that you are, and the character will always be a part of you,
You,
right?
of course.
You will always reach the character through yourself.
Yeah.
So you yourself is such an important deal.
Absolutely. You know, this point is very valid that when we are acting, we don't become somebody else.
True.
But we try to find out a common ground of, you know, this both actor and character. Then it
जी,
becomes genuine.
जी.
It's
वो
true.
जितना seamless होता है,
Yeah.
वो gap उतना अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah. It looks natural, believable.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then, you know, India has its own way of Indian actors and Indian media and Indian films has its own way of doing this casting business, you know, how they cast. I'm not talking about the stars who has already made their names. They are also casted in some way at some point of time.
Correct.
But now, because the world is so open, you know, there is internet, there is people know about Netflix, they are watching different movies, which otherwise there's no option because all Hollywood films used to not come to the cinemas. They're few. And there are a lot of acting coaches are coming online and talking about things. This transition has happened. People are aware. But in terms of casting process in India, is that changed something? Impacted in a good way? So the casting is also happening in a different way than it used to be, it used to be before.
Absolutely. I think मुझे लगता है कि पिछले 15 से 20 साल में ही this department has come into a solid existence where everybody realizes how important it is to, pay attention to this. A lot of filmmakers have said this, कि casting is half the job done. And it really makes quite a difference between that written scripts and when it comes to life by an actor who's good at his craft. So बहुत organized हो गया है अब. शुरुआत में मैं भी जब फिल्में अब देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि यार उस वक्त भी कितनी अच्छी कास्टिंग होती थी और मतलब कितने एप्ट लगते हैं ऐसा सब. पर जब मैंने लोगों से बात की और पूछा तो मुझे पता चला कि बहुत छोटी इंडस्ट्री थी तब और एवरीबडी न्यू ईच अदर. इट वाज अ वेरी क्लोज यूनिट. सो इट वाज ईजियर टू with the reach of films in our country and how it has, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अब इसको seriously as a career pursue करना चाहते हैं. They want to act for the rest of their lives and earn their paychecks from here. So because अब शायद ये quantity of actors इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है और इतने diverse तरह के लोग हैं और films भी क्योंकि अलग अलग regions में बन रहे हैं और हर किसी को मतलब इट्स सच अ ह्यूज कंट्री ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकती है. तो नाउ इट्स बिकम मोर स्ट्रीमलाइंड विथ कास्टिंग कंपनीज कमिंग इनटू एक्जिस्टेंस. देयर इज अ प्रोसेस, देयर इज अ वे दैट यू कैन परस्यू दिस in an organized way, which I think is great.
And a lot of new actors have emerged actually.
Absolutely. And
lot of new actors
that
have
is the
emerged.
reason why, because we are constantly filtering and looking at actors who can fit the bill for what we are casting.
It's a lot of exercise, no?
It is,
in
it is,
between,
it
yeah.
is, yeah.
So that
What a different ये है if you were asking about how Hollywood is and how India
us,
is.
yeah.
So मतलब वहाँ पे जो स्काउटिंग का काम होता है, जो टैलेंट सर्च का काम होता है, वो एजेंट्स कर रहे होते हैं.
Talent agents.
Correct. और also there's a one basic difference between how India works and how the West works is here in India there are training के लिए कुछ schools हैं जिसमें कुछ limited seats हैं जो मतलब serious professional training करा रही है actors के साथ. But वहाँ पर I think ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड्स ज़्यादा हैं तो वहाँ से लोग ज़्यादा सीख कर निकल रहे हैं एंड दे इन्वेस्ट दैट टाइम बिफोर दे टेक दिस एज अ करियर प्रोफेशनली कि वो 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल इस चीज़ पर दे रहे हैं, वो टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं लाइक इन एनी अदर प्रोफेशनल डिग्री लाइक इंजीनियर और डॉक्टर. और तो आई थिंक वो चीज़ और बेहतर हो सकती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है ना, इंडिया में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं जो कि बहुत इन्वेस्ट करते हैं और बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और वो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. और at various levels, even the ones who are working or even the ones who are trying to act right now or doing theater. But
Nasruddin Shah, Irfan,
Ji.
and all those
and so
stalwarts.
many unknown actors also who take
Today's.
the craft so seriously and they do it with so much perseverance and diligence.
Total sacrifice to that.
It's
an
so
amazing
brave.
world.
It's so brave to get up every day in the morning and have the same enthusiasm.
Yeah.
And work towards it, not knowing where and how things will work out, but having that right state of mind is so beautiful to watch. It's so
and
brave.
There are many actor story I've heard who didn't have anything to eat. Came to Mumbai, even if with the water, and they've all came from professional colleges and schools of acting.
In so many hardships, because I keep meeting so many actors and इतनी interesting stories होती हैं उनकी of how they became an actor or how they got the first job. मेरा तो मन था कि मैं एक सीरीज बना दूं इस चीज पर.
No,
uh,
that could be amazing. A
yeah,
series on
yeah,
actors'
yeah,
journey is
because the
beautiful.
stories are so exciting, and each one of them, मतलब all the names that we hear, like वो मतलब it's ऑप्शन नहीं है कि आप वापस जाओ.
कभी सोचा ही नहीं ना,
ये
प्लान
नहीं,
भी था
ये
था
ऑप्शन
ही
नहीं
नहीं.
था कि मतलब ठीक है कुछ साल ट्राई कर लिया अब चले जाता हूँ, नहीं हो रहा कुछ. They never give up and they keep working. Yeah.
So now the COVID came.
जी.
You were meeting physically actors. They're coming and giving audition to you. But then of course the self-taping, this become a larger kind of audition techniques.
True.
Yeah. So was it very different from how it was going on and how it is like after COVID?
It's definitely become very different after COVID. Things have become a lot more virtual. काफ़ी we are using technology a lot. We are people also, actors themselves, not just come and act. They also need to be directors. They also need to know how to shoot this well. They also need to figure out who will co-act with them in this scene, because the filmmaker को ये नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा कि आपने ऑडिशन फिजिकली दिया है ऑडिशन रूम में कि आपने अपने घर पे
कहीं
शूट
भी
किया
दिया
है. द इफेक्ट द should be the same. The output should be as good. So yeah, I think also it's made things easier also. But for me personally, I really enjoy the time that you spend directing an actor on an audition room
Face
and
to
create
face.
something together.
Yeah.
So yeah, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं हो रहा है, but हाँ अब थोड़ा filtered होता है.
With so many people seeking acting jobs today, including those without formal training also, how do you navigate this search while ensuring that you handle everyone's hopes gently?
Well, I think we have designed a process of our own, and every company has a process of its own. Like पहले लोग physically pictures दिया करते थे एक time पर,
Yes.
फिर email शुरू हुए. तो like we also we have a basic software in our website where somebody can just virtually upload all the details that one needs to, and we constantly keep checking that.
That's
Because
wonderful.
it was very difficult to keep a track of all the emails or messages that come your way. And when we are casting for a part, we're trying to look for the most interesting actor that can suit it. So constantly हम ये filter करते रहते हैं कि which are the actors that we want to work with, and then it's a process. फिर कुछ ऑडिशंस के बाद, क्योंकि बहुत डिफिकल्ट है एक बार में ही किसी एक्टर को समझ जाना पूरी तरह से, जब हम उसके साथ वो एंगेज करना शुरू करते हैं, ऑडिशन करना शुरू करते हैं, तो कुछ टाइम में हम दोनों इवॉल्व होते हैं और समझते हैं कि एक दूसरे का स्पेस क्या है, और फिर मतलब वी वर्क टुगेदर.
Yeah, because today's time there are, I think someone that day was discussing that at least 5 lakhs actor तो होंगी
I'm sure,
जो
I'm sure.
अभी आने
और
लगे हैं,
कितने
तो
ऐसे हैं जो मतलब नहीं भी हैं लेकिन बनना चाहते हैं.
बनना चाहते हैं, aspiring you can
जी,
say.
in all parts of the country.
I know.
Because
I know.
we also keep traveling a lot to different cities depending on if the shoots on that particular geography, and we meet so many actors in every town of our country कि हर जगह आपको actors मिल ही जाते हैं.
तो लेकिन अगर कभी-कभी मैंने देखा है इवन जहाँ पर एक्टिंग के आपके जो ऑफिस है या अदर ऑफिसेज आल्सो, आई मीन आई सी मेनी पीपल्स आर कमिंग लाइक सुबह मैं ऐसे लोगों को भी जानती हूँ जो सुबह उठ के दे गो टू द एवरी ऑफिसेज इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग फॉर देम.
जी,
आपके साथ ऐसा होता है तो आप क्या करते हो?
मतलब we respectfully deal with them. हम तो हमेशा, मैं भी अपनी टीम को यही बोलता हूँ कि मतलब every actor who has come to the office either for an audition or just to come to meet us is vulnerable and has to be treated with a lot of dignity and respect. हो सकता है उस वक्त उसके लिए कुछ ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसमें वो फिट हो रहा हो, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी नहीं होगा. सम टाइम द टाइम विल कम, एंड एज आई सेड कि मतलब एक प्रोसेस जो हमने बनाया है जिससे कि हम इस क्वांटिटी को मतलब एक्सेस कर सकें,
अब्जॉर्ब भी कर सकें,
कर सकें. मतलब इट डजंट नीड दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन टू ऑलवेज डू दिस फिजिकली एवरी डे, गर्मी में, धूप में, बारिश में, जब काम वर्चुअली हो सकता है
But you know, it's also a kind of desperation to
I'm
get a
sure.
job.
जी जी जी.
So
That's
ये
true.
भी हो जाता है कई
That's true.
बार.
That's true.
I mean, it's such a very difficult to
जी.
sustain in Mumbai. Also, and also maybe it happens, you know, then
Yeah, and
job
sometimes just a
searching.
little positive affirmation that we give to them in gets them a lot more confident. और बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो आते हैं just to talk to us and tell us if they can steer it a little differently or how can they do what can be done better and things like that.
So
Yeah,
the website thing is very important for you.
absolutely.
So people must know about it. They should
जी
search that, and
जी.
if there's already a process involved, then they don't have to every day.
Like how you were talking about the West, वहाँ पर जैसे वो 3-4 वेबसाइट्स हैं जिसमें हमेशा कास्टिंग के ब्रेकडाउन्स जाते हैं और उससे एजेंट्स और बाकी एक्टर्स
Yeah.
पिक करते हैं एंड देन दे अप्लाई, यू नो, देन वहाँ से शॉर्टलिस्ट होकर के कॉल बैक्स आते हैं टू अ लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ पीपल.
Correct.
तो मतलब ये जो पहली स्क्रीनिंग का प्रोसेस है, ये हम भी कॉन्स्टेंटली ढूंढ रहे हैं. एक्टर को जितनी ज़रूरत है हमारी उतनी ज़रूरत हमें भी उसकी है.
Absolutely.
It's a two-way business.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
So, yeah.
You need talent, and they need someone to
Exactly.
navigate that talents to the
हम
right
when
way.
we read a script, we work backwards. There is a character that's written, and we know कि what are the expectations of the filmmaker with that character. So हम वो देख रहे होते हैं कि
Yeah.
कौन
It's
वो
lovely.
है जो ये बन सकता है.
Yeah. I think no actor should be disheartened if they can't meet Vaibhav immediately. But there is a kind of process they're following, and you all can really go there and without feeling defeated, you follow the process, and then the luck will definitely favor you one day, and you will be able to come and work with
And
Vaibhav also.
I think that there's also needs to be a little strategy to this whole madness. It's sometimes also important to knock and remind that you
Absolutely.
exist
Absolutely.
through different ways, either through your work or just by maybe sending a
Stay
message
connected.
or sending an email, मतलब whichever way. But yeah, because तभी जा करके मतलब हो सकता है, because हम भी कभी we need to think of that particular person in that time when we are casting for that particular character.
Yeah, and be in loop is a very good,
जी
kind of
जी.
suggestion it is.
Yeah.
I'm sure they must be
But on the
listening to
other way
this.
हम भी यही कर रहे होते हैं कॉन्स्टेंटली कि हम जो ढूंढ रहे हैं शायद वो हमें मिल नहीं रहा है, तो वो हम अलग अलग तरह से पूरे देश में हर तरह से स्प्रेड करते हैं और वहाँ के ऑडिशंस देखते हैं. सो या मतलब जो वो एक्टर कर रहा है वो हम भी
It's
कर
a
रहे हैं.
reciprocal
Correct.
process actually.
Correct.
It's really nice. So, any actor, like, we are talking about stereotypes,
जी
right?
जी
Any actors, big actors maybe,
जी.
and big in the sense not I'm saying us tarah se, like known actor ho,
Right.
or any actor you really felt that film by film they are actually um, changing their roles. They are not stereotypes. They're at least trying to do that.
Yeah.
Or any such actor you are working with right now, your current project. So you can talk
Yeah, I'm
about, take the
saying
names.
I think a lot of actors try and do this, that they try and do different interesting parts. They don't like to repeat themselves. I'm a huge admirer of Alia Bhatt.
You're working with Alia also right now, right?
I'm working on a film that she's producing, not
Oh,
acting. Yeah. But like, there's a difference in each character, even if it's a similar genre film, but there is an effort from her to make it slightly unique and different than what she has done before, which is so exciting to watch. I also really admire Jaideep Ahlawat.
Alawan.
I think he's one very gifted actor who's...
You worked with him?
Yes, I have worked with him.
In which project?
There's a film that's releasing currently in the next few months.
On screen?
Yeah.
Big screen, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
congratulations.
Thank you.
To him too.
Ji. So I think he's also one of those actors who's very beautiful with his craft.
Very beautiful. And also, I really like Ranbir Kapoor.
Absolutely.
The way he can do rockstar also, and then he can do all lover boy kind of all films.
He's so effortless in what he does that वो कभी दिखता ही नहीं है कि क्या, और जबकि आई एम श्योर कि वो बहुत एफर्ट करते होंगे तभी जाकर के वो इतना सीमलेस लगता है.
He keeps on trying. In every role, he keeps on trying.
Rocket Singh
It's
is one of my
Rockets.
favorite films.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
There are many films of him, which is very South with Konkona, that film.
Wake Up Sid.
Pick Up Sid.
जी.
And Rockstar. There's such a difference in this. And also, one more film he did, and it's like very violent, but he's very
Right.
different. He's constantly seeking
Correct.
to do something different.
Yeah.
I
There are
think,
some very good actors like this which exist.
Hmm.
There are some very good unknown actors जो शायद सिर्फ स्टेज कर रहे हैं या फिर जो
Anybody
audition
you
कर
like
रहे हैं.
from stage theatre
जी,
also?
there are so many who are very very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So much hope, no? There's
absolutely.
so much hope.
I think we have a great talent base.
And
in our
now
country.
it's coming up even more.
Absolutely, absolutely.
People are seeking for training. People
जी.
are trying to go and, getting involved
और
themselves in
इतना
theatre.
selfless approach है उनका, मतलब without being desperate also, they're constantly working on the craft, which is beautiful.
That's really. So what current projects do you have lined up, and what is your goal for the future?
There are a lot of exciting films which are coming up over the next 1 year.
Those
21 is one film which is
21.
releasing, which we've worked on very hard for the last few years, which is a very exciting film, I feel.
Yeah,
It's a
and
true
how was the
story.
experience? Nice.
It was a lovely. It was it's being directed by Mr. Sriram Raghavan.
So the last question of this, its name is Seema Jiski Koi Seema Nahi.
Right,
It means breaking the barriers.
right.
Of course, you have broken many barriers and come to this position today. But still, if there anything very special, you think that that's the moment in your heart, you have broken something very, very deep, if you have something like that.
I think, sometimes I also feel that looking at the films currently and the actors that we have, and with the talent base as we were discussing that we have in our country, I feel so empowered because there's so much opportunity for me here to make a slight difference to the actors who are acting in films. For me, the joy is to see the happiness in that filmmaker when he's shooting the project or when the film releases, if it's done well. So it's always about, thinking a little out of the box and making it slightly interesting. But yeah, I think with the films that I'm doing right now and the ones which are also yet to come, you will see some considerable effort that's being put to make a slight change.
Your input
Absolutely.
to the director. Like
Absolutely.
generally
With
people
the
get a
actors
little
that I'm
scared.
working
Yeah.
with and casting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your input. And that's very important. It needs a
Yeah,
lot of courage
because
to.
जब एक एक्टर एक प्रिंसिपल लीडिंग एक्टर बनता है, उसकी वजह से there's a lot of people who get business, who are employed. So एक फिल्म क्रू में 100 से 200 लोग हो सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं कभी-कभी. So it's also about the livelihood of a lot of people if we create stars or create actors that people want to watch. So yeah, that's one barrier that I'm constantly striving to.
That's wonderful. Then it will become one day very big, and
Hopefully.
it will bring a big change even in the film industry. So it's a rapid fire
Mera audition.
round. Not really audition, it's a fun. Take it as a fun.
Sure.
So very simple questions we ask here actually. It's like school. So theatre or film? It's a choice.
Film.
Auditions or self-tapes?
Auditions.
Auditions. Established actors or newcomers?
Newcomers.
Okay. Comedy or drama?
Comedy I enjoy.
Yeah. Short films or feature films?
Feature films.
Scripting or improvisation?
The unpredictability of improvisations I enjoy.
That creates, I think, the whole
Yeah.
greatness in
You
acting.
know what's gonna come in the next moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Author backstory or masala movies?
Author backstories. Yeah.
On location shooting or studio shooting?
On location, of course.
Formal casting calls or open auditions?
formal casting calls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Character-driven stories or visual storytelling?
Visual stories.
Collaborating with directors or working independently?
Collaborating, of course. Always.
Have you planned ever independently have a film production house to make films?
Not right now, not yet.
Okay. Casting a superstar with limited range or a talented newcomer with great potential, if there is a choice.
The latter.
So, a highly scripted role versus a completely open ended character.
A open-ended character will be interesting to watch.
A small but meaningful project versus a big budget film with no creative freedom.
Small.
Which one?
Interesting project, the first one.
Where there is freedom, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Working with a legendary director known for strict methods or a fresh filmmaker with novel ideas. Great ideas.
Both, why not? Sometimes strictness also, the person knows what he wants.
And I think idea and methods both goes hand in hand. An idea without method sometimes in acting, it's remain very vague.
True, true.
Idea has to be projected.
Correct.
Yeah. And then choosing an actor who fits the physical description perfectly or one who brings an unique interpretation to the role.
I'll go with the actor.
Actor, unique
Yeah,
interpretation,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Physicality can be also 6 महीना उसका वर्जिश भी कर सकते हैं ना? Yeah.
Wording.
That can be achieved, yeah. So actors with influence or actors with talent?
Actors with talent.
Thank you very much. Honestly answering all the questions.
Absolutely.
And
it was lovely
it's
speaking
really
to you.
pleasure. It's really pleasure is all ours, I think,
Thank
all the listeners. And you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
And really, really thankful that you said yes.
Absolutely.
And all the very best for everything you do.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Breaking the boundary, that's our theme. Fearless and bold, we chase our dream. Not scared or timid to reach our goal. तो अपने अपने अंदाज में दिल खोल के बोल. सीमा, 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 सीमा. जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं.